everything that I wrote in actually came true. Even when I couldn't believe myself that this would actually turn out and actually happen. It did happen. And here's my journal that I used to script in. Like, I will actually show how I scripted my desires, how I actually manifested all that I wrote in this. And trust me, it was so damn amazing and miraculous. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Soul Voyage. So today we are going to talk about a very powerful technique that changed my entire way of how I manifest my dreams and my goals, scripting. So if you've ever heard about Abraham Hicks, then you know that manifesting isn't just about wanting something, but aligning with the feeling of actually having it. And scripting is a very powerful tool of doing that. So just grab your journals and let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about what scripting really is. So, scripting is writing a scene in a movie where you are the main character and where all that you desire is already yours. But here's the key. You have to write as if it's happening right now. You have to describe your life in the present tense, explaining the details vividly, and most importantly, the emotions and the feelings that you're going to feel if this reality were actually true. You have to write down that very, very clearly. So why is this so powerful? Abraham Hicks teaches us that the universe responds to what vibration your body is in and not just your words. So when you write down as if you already have what you want, your body embodies that vibration and universe takes the note. So how to exactly script? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to script your desires into reality. Step 1. Set aside a quiet time. So you gotta be in a positive state of mind for this to work. So maybe a short meditation or listen to a song that makes you feel great, and you would be in a feeling of positivity and feeling good. Step 2. Start writing in the present tense. Instead of writing, I want to be successful, start writing, I am successful, doing dash dash dash, whatever it is that you want to manifest right now. And actually feel those words while you write them down. Feel the joy, the pride, and the satisfaction of actually having those things, those desires being fulfilled. Step 3. Be specific but not rigid. Allow room for the universe to surprise you with even better outcomes. For example, if you are manifesting a successful YouTube channel, for example, as I'm doing right now, so I'd write, I have a very successful YouTube channel and I enjoy planning up new videos and content to put up online, and I feel so good and so satisfied doing that. Step 4. Feel the emotions. And this is the most important step. While writing down, take some moments and pause and really imagine yourself living that life. What would it feel like to be financially independent and to provide for your family, to see them happy and at ease? Let that emotion fill you up. Soak in that emotion and enjoy it for a moment and see how good you feel. Step 5. Let it go. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but Abraham Hicks has emphasized on the importance of releasing the resistance. Once you have scripted your desires down, just trust that universe is already at work behind the scenes. Don't worry about how or when it will come true. It will come true. Just trust in the universe and trust the process. I remember myself actually scripting seriously, and here's my journal that I used to script in. Like, even I do it right now, but I have a different journal because this is completely full. So this is for another video. I will actually show how I scripted my desires, how I actually manifested all that I wrote in this, and trust me, it was so damn amazing and miraculous. Everything that I wrote in actually came true. Even when I couldn't believe myself that this would actually turn out and actually happen, it did happen. And I am surely gonna make a separate video on all the things that I wrote in this book and how they all came true and how the universe conspired to make everything possible. So give scripting a chance and be consistent. Don't just write once and forget about it. Yeah, I know I told let it go, but first of all, write for 30 days straight. Make a particular time in your day where you actually connect with the life that you desire. And in those 10 or 15 minutes, script down whatever you desire 30 days straight and then let it go. Okay, and I am assuring you, this is a very, very powerful technique and this does work. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such content on manifestation, mastering your mind and manifesting your best life. And do let me know in the comments below, what is it that you're currently trying to manifest and what are you scripting for? And also any sort of doubts that you might be having for scripting, manifestation or anything. I try to reply or I would include those queries in my next video. And let's see what comes up. Till then, keep believing, keep scripting and keep manifesting. Let's manifest our best lives together. Let's do it. Bye-bye.